Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mandar Sawan and it's been a long time I have posted a video, and today I am going to show you how to download Power BI desktop on your system. It's super duper easy, and by the end of this video you will have a Power BI up and running. So let's jump right into it. So open your browser and just search for Power BI. Once you click on Power BI desktop visualization, the first tab, you will see this kind of UI. Just click on the products and go search for Power BI desktop. So in advanced download option, you can see your system settings. Based on your system setting, you can download. So my system is 64-bit and this will be a 32-bit. So based on your system, you can download. So you don't need to wait, guys. I have already downloaded it for you. So you can see this. Just click on the downloaded package. And there you go. In this wizard there will be a small setup. Select your language. It is English by default. Now just wait for a few seconds. It is preparing to install. Just click on next. Accept the license agreement. Select the folder you want to install, and if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, just click on this and install. So I guess it will take only a few minutes. I will skip this part for you. So the installation is completed. Click on the finish button and it will directly launch you to a Power BI. And that's it. Now you have Power BI installed on your system. With Power BI, you can unlock insights, visualize data, and make informed decisions. You can also create stories and dashboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching.